Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness in Filmora. And so make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now you will be needing to open a project. And basically, to open the project, you will be needing just like to go to the file menu and from here, and you will go to new project or open project. Then you will be needing like to import your media. To do so, you will go to media and here you will find your folder. Then you can start importing your media and you can either import audios, videos, and even images. So here I have this video. This is just like a stock media that I have here. And basically now to start like adjusting the brightness, you will be needing like to go to colors. So here you will find like the video settings and here you will find the colors. So basically, you will find some presets, some LUT if you would like, and basically here you will find the lighting. And to adjust the light, you will be needing like just to go to this bar and you will need just to increase and decrease the bar. So for example, here let's adjust the color for this image and basically it will you will add exposure and here let's add brightness. And of course you will be needing like to have some balance between all of these. You can add the contrast within the brightness, so you can have some brighter and dense color, etc. And the same would be applying to images. And from here you can like adjust the exposure and let's go to this image, and as you can see you can increase decrease exposure, and from here you can choose the brightness and add contrast if you'd like. Also you will find like the white spots, black spots, etc. And the same you can also find like the curves where you can also adjust the lighting and it will be for any color or for individual colors, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.